Hi children, welcome back to the class. In the last class, we discussed how to introduce yourself. Hope you have sent a video introducing yourself to your English teacher or to the class WhatsApp group. Today I am going to discuss about how to describe character and personality. At the end of the lesson, you may know many of the adjectives that could be used to describe character and personality. I divide them into positive and negative adjectives. Let's start with the personality category number 1. The adjectives which describe how willing you are to communicate with others. First we have extroverted. Someone who is extroverted means one who is lively and confident and enjoys being around other people. The opposite is introverted. So this describes somebody who is more interested in their own thoughts and feelings than in spending time with other people. We also have talkative. This describes somebody who likes to talk a lot. The opposite is quiet, which means tending not to talk a lot. Next we have confident. This means feeling sure about your ability to do things and be successful. And the antonym for this is shy. Someone who is shy means nervous about meeting people or speaking to people. Now children, if you are describing a person's character, you can say, for example, my brother is an extrovert, or he is very confident, or he is shy. Let's move to the second category. Talks about how you make others feel. First one, warm. A warm person is one who is showing enthusiasm or friendly. On the other hand, we have cold, means a person who is without affection or unfriendly. Next we have kind. This means caring about others, gentle, friendly and generous. On the opposite side we have unkind. This means unpleasant, unfriendly, maybe even slightly cruel. And we have sweet. Someone who is sweet shows a kind character, and the opposite is nasty. A nasty person is an unkind person. Okay children, if you are describing your friend's character, you can say, my friend is sweet or kind or warm. Let's move to the third category, how you treat the feeling of others. First we have considerate. If you are considerate, you are always thinking of others' feelings. If you are not considerate, you are inconsiderate. This means you are not giving enough thought about other people's feeling. We also have thoughtful. If you are thoughtful, then you show care and consider to other people's feeling. The opposite is thoughtless. This means you don't care about the possible and negative effects of your actions and words. Then we have tactful. This means you are careful not to say or do anything that might upset or anger other people. The antonym for that is tactless. This means that you say or do things that might annoy other people. Okay children, are you considerate or tactless or thoughtful? You can use these words when you describe how a person treats others' feelings. Our next category is how much people can trust you. First one, trustworthy, means you are honest and good. On the other hand, we have untrustworthy. This is somebody who cannot be trusted. We also have reliable. One who is reliable means we can trust him to do something well. On the other hand, we have unreliable. meaning you cannot trust him to do something or you can depend on him. Then we have loyal. This means remaining faithful to somebody or something and supporting them. The opposite is disloyal, which means not loyal or faithful. Next, we can discuss the adjectives to describe how honest you are with others. We have sincere. This means showing what you really think or feel. On the other hand, we have insincere. If someone is insincere means saying or doing something that you do not really mean or believe. Next we have frank. If someone is frank, it means they are honest and direct. On the other hand, it is secretive, which means one who is tending to hide your thoughts, feelings, actions, etc. from other people. Then next we have direct. This means saying exactly what you mean in a way that nobody can pretend not to understand. There is no exact antonym, but we can say sneaky. This means behaving in a secret and sometimes dishonest or unpleasant way. Next category shows adjectives that describe your attitude towards work. We have industrious. This means hardworking. On the other hand, we have idle. If you are not hardworking, you are idle. Next one is ambitious. One who is determined to be successful or powerful or rich is ambitious. On the other hand, we have unambitious, means one who is not determined or easygoing. Dear students, today we have discussed 34 adjectives which can be used to describe character and personality of a person. Let's recall them: extroverted, introverted, talkative, quiet, confident, shy, warm, cold, sweet, nasty, kind, unkind, considerate, inconsiderate, thoughtful, thoughtless, tactful, tactless, trustworthy, untrustworthy, reliable, unreliable, loyal, disloyal, sincere, insincere, frank, secretive, direct, sneaky, industrious, idle, ambitious, unambitious. There are many more adjectives that we can discuss later. Now, can you describe a person with these adjectives that we have studied? For example, I will describe my brother's character. Listen. I have a brother. His name is Christo. Though he is an introvert, he is very sweet. He is also considerate and reliable. He is loyal to his friends and relatives. He is not at all sneaky and idle. He is very industrious and sometimes scolds me when I am idle. He is such a loving brother. Hope you have got familiar with these adjectives. Now what you have to do is describe your friend or brother or sister's character. Take a video and send to your English teacher. Thank you.